where'd you go? Huh? No way! Did you make me breakfast?
No, Zoe. Breakfast was for me. I thought you'd be hungry after a night in the clinic.
Thanks, Mom. Hey, Harvey.
Hey, you really spent all night in here?
Sure. I wasn't going to let Zulie spend his last night alone. Lassie and I were up all night. Do you remember when Lassie found him? We couldn't even tell if he was alive. And look at him now. Does he really have to go?
He's gotta fly south, and soon. Now that he's strong enough to make it, he should go.
He couldn't wait just a few more days?
No, he's got to get out of the valley and over the mountains before the first storm comes. And by next week, it's going to start turning cold.
I guess.
We figured this would be hard for you, so look what your mom's got.
What is it?
It's a transmitter.
I'm going to put it on Zulie, and that way you can keep an eye on him.
Really?
I've shown Harvey how to use the receiver. We wanted to surprise you.
See? He's that red dot on the screen. We'll know exactly where he is.
It'll keep a signal for about 200 miles.
And we can pinpoint his location to within 100 yards.
Cool.
Don't worry. We're going to keep our eye on you. That's it. He's ready.
Okay, let's go.
Lassie, what a surprise! Hey, here's an idea. Why don't we go on a nice walk? No, that's not how I should ask her out. How about a stroll? Yeah, that's better. Come on, Biff, you can do this.
Biff? Are you all right?
Lassie, what a surprise!
Why is it a surprise? I live here.
Oh, right. Well, that's embarrassing. Of course it's not a surprise. Well, gee, I was wondering if...
Lassie! Come on!
Sorry, gotta go.
Right, well, never mind. Bye.
See you later, Biff.
Huh? She'll see me later? Later? Oh, Lassie! How soon is later?
Remember, as long as we can track you, we'll make sure you're safe. That's a promise. Okay, off you go! Yay!
Oh no!
What happened?
I'm not getting a signal. We just need to find a higher spot.
Let's go to the ranger station. We can use the observation deck.
Isn't that kind of for emergencies?
And what do you call this? Come on.
Wait for me, Zoe!
Yeah, right.
Hey, Dad, can we... Oh, sorry. Can we head up to the tower? Thanks, Dad.
Sorry, my daughter and her friend. So, if that's what the satellite says, I'd better get busy. Let's get to work, guys. We've got a big day ahead of us.
Hey! for the mountain. Once he gets over the summit, he's set. Huh?
Where is she? Where is she? There she is.
Hey, Zoe! Harvey!
Hey, Dad!
There's a storm coming in! I've got to close the mountain and get some rangers on the trails! This is a big one! We're going to get some serious snow, even down here! You guys stay close to home, okay?
We've got to find Zulie. If he gets caught up there when the storm comes, he'll die.
But you can't just go out there in a t-shirt. We're gonna need jackets, food. We need to tell someone.
We need to stop talking about it. Come on.
Zoe!
Fancy meeting you here, huh? Beautiful day, isn't it?
Not exactly. There's a storm coming in. It's going to be a cold one.
Cold?
Very cold.
Then let's get inside where it's warm.
Biff, are you all right?
I'm okay.
I've got to keep an eye on Zoe. She should be wearing more. A sweater at least.
What about you? Do you have a sweater?
No, and today I could use one.
Okay. Don't move. I'll be right back.
Let me have the tracker.
Hey, careful with those.
Where is it?
You were the one that had it.
I put it down. You didn't pick it up?
I thought you picked it up.
Oh, now we gotta go back. Lassie! Oh, you're the best. Thank you, girl. Come on, guys. Hurry up.
Oh.
Snow? Here? But it's too soon. That's what Lassie said. She said the kids needed sweaters, so she needs one too.
What's a sweater?
But if it's going to get cold, we should stay inside and eat, and nap, and eat.
After as good a friend as she's been to all of you, Pika, Lassie saved you from that falcon. And Looper, she always takes the lid off the Parker's trash can, doesn't she?
And last night they had lasagna. It was good.
She helps us all. Now it's our turn to help her. We need to find her something warm to wear.
Well, if a storm's coming, we're all gonna need sweaters.
Then we'll all get sweaters. Anybody got a plan?
Ah, finally you stop.
He moved. He's up there. You feel how cold it's getting? It must be terrible for him up there.
Zoe, wait! Maybe there's another way. Zoe!
How did you get up here?
Turns out the trail comes straight up this way. Ugh, it's cold.
Oh! Who cares if it's cold? We found him! Right over there! Shh. Huh? What was that?
An ibex. He was wearing a transmitter. They must be tagging them.
Wait, have we been tracking that all this time?
No. When you played with the dial, you changed the frequency. Okay, that's him. And he's right up there. And if it's raining down here...
Up there, it's snowing. I know.
Okay. We need to get everything off that clothesline and put it on.
Everything? Why?
There's more to dressing up than just stealing a sweater, okay? Clothes make the man, or the dog, or the raccoon.
Aren't they just supposed to keep us warm?
Where's your sense of style? Ready, Luther? Focus!
Sorry.
I don't believe it!
Oh, sorry.
I know Zoe. I bet she took that tracker and went after the bird.
Yeah, but if it starts to snow, I'm sure they'll turn around and come back.
Are we talking about the same Zoe? Seriously.
Don't worry. I got guys on the rest of the trails, and I'll head up there now. We'll find her. I promise.
It looks like he's just on the other side.
We gotta get across.
Okay, let's think about it. Can we?
Forget it. Come on.
Zoe, you need to slow down.
I do not. You need to hurry up. Come on, Lassie. What's wrong with you?
You don't see it, do you? Move, Lassie.
Come on. If I'd gone out there, you saved my life.
Yeah, looks like it.
Harvey, I'm sorry. You're a really good friend.
I know. Who else would follow you into a snowstorm? Now come on, let's find your bird and get him home.
We found him!
Let's go.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
No problem, guys. I'm a tightrope walker. Watch this. Whip showing off.
Wow.
Just one more. Somebody help! Turn my lights out!
Crazy dog.
This is it. He's here.
But where?
In a tree?
The tracker doesn't say?
No, we're too close.
Huh?
He doesn't look real good.
He's freezing.
How are we gonna get up there?
Don't worry. There isn't a tree out there I can't climb.
Okay. But we do this together, right?
Oh, hey, buddy. Remember me? Don't be afraid. It's okay. Oh, you poor thing. You're freezing. Harvey! How do I get down? I can't let go of Zulie.
I got you, remember? Jump!
Hold on.
Good girl, Lassie!
Phew! Thanks, you two. Now let's go home. I don't know about you, but I'm freezing.
Oh.
Can the tracker point us toward home?
It doesn't work that way.
Harvey, what are we going to do? I have no idea which way to go.
Me neither. We can't see a thing.
Huh?
Hey,
Hey, where are you going?
she wants us to follow her.
I get it, girl. Take us home.
Nice job, but we gotta head back out. We need to cover the area around the summit trail. Zoe and Harvey are up there. Probably stuck near the summit.
Is Lassie with them?
Yeah.
Well then, they have a chance.
Thanks, Zoe.
Thanks. Thank you, Lassie.
Zoe! Harvey! Zoe!
I think we found them. Or maybe I should say they found us.
Dad!
Zoe!
I'm so glad to see you.
Didn't I tell you to stay close to home?
You did, Dad. I'm really, really sorry. But look!
I don't believe it. But still, think about it. If you'd have been caught in that blizzard...
We were.
You were?
Lassie got us home.
Thanks, Lassie.
Let's go help Lassie.
Guys, I hate to tell you, but I don't think Lassie needs our help.
Ooh.
I don't believe it! What are we doing out here? They've got hot chocolate!
It's for sure. Tomorrow, I'm gonna ask Lassie out for real.
Lassie's right. It's nice being home. Just us and Lassie and Zulie. Until spring, that is. Lassie saved us all. Right, girl? You're the best.